we are going to start the detailed procedure about the Sutra Niti. So, according to our lecture, Sutra Niti is a yogic cleansing practice used to clear the nasal passageways. It is one of the 6 satkams mentioned in the Hatha Yoga Pratipika. It is considered important because this allows for easier breathing, which helps the pranayam and breathing during asana practice. In a Sutra Neti, a wet string or a thin piece of surgical tubing is inserted through the nose and exits through the mouth. Each end of this string is held as it is gently pulled in and out of the nasal passageways to clear them and remove any nasal polyps. How we are going to start this Sutra Neti? So, the procedure. In a Sutra Neti, a waxed cotton string is traditionally used to clean the nasal cavity. In a Sutra Neti, the waxed cotton string is inserted into the nose and then pulled out from the mouth. Then both ends are held with the hands and nasal cleaning is done by to and fro motion of the strings. Now, what are the benefits of Sutra Niti? We know very well nowadays we are facing the problems of the environment problems, pollution problems. So, these practice of Sutra Nitis are very much helpful to keep ourselves healthy in relation to our nasal problems. Number 1, lightness in breathing. Practicing Sutra Niti after Jala Niti aids in clearing excessive mucus from the heavy nostrils. Improve our vision. When we are doing practice of the Sutra Niti, we are going to benefits in ENT careness. Alleviate inflammation and excessive mucus. With the practice of the Sutra Niti, we are able to deviate nasal septum, reduced, removing dirt, bacteria and trapped mucus. By the practice of the Sutra Niti, we are going to reducing sinuses, headaches and migraines. It is also very helpful in preventing infection and inflammations. So, these are the most important benefits of Sutra Niti. Now, we have to follow some precautions. So, these are the important precautions before going to start the practice of the Sutra Niti. We have to do the practice of Sutra Niti under the supervision of the experts until we have to learn very well. Suppose we are going to learn this practice, this Sutra Niti, then we have to do the practice under the supervision of the expert person who had experienced in this Kriya. Now, use clean and sterile equipments. This is very important. We have to use sterile and clean equipments. We are going to use in this Kriya. Now, lighten up your diet. We have to take the light diet, yogic diet. Keep calm while practicing Niti. We have to keep ourselves very calm, very cool. Don't hesitate, don't rush, don't take any stress on our mind. Very calmly we have to do the practice. We have to take the empty stomach should be there. In the morning it is very important. If you do the in the morning, then it is very good. And also we have to take some important instructions. We have to keep with the hand towel always, and water should be warm, and it should be reduced at the temperature of, you can say, lukewarm water. Put this in this salt, normal salt, and proportion of salt should be taken care. We have to do the Sutra Niti, but before Sutra Niti, every person have to do this Rabad Niti, because it is easy to learn. Any learner first do the practice of the Rabad Niti, and after that he will every person have to perform the Sutra Niti. So he is showing Rabad Niti. Now this is a catheter, it is known as the Rabad Niti, and the same procedure when we have he will check the which nostril is going to free flow. So he has been checked just now, the right nostril, his right nostril is freeing flow. So he will do this Rabad Niti. Now one end, close end of the Rabad Niti is going to be insert in his right nostril. Slow he is inserting close end of this Rabad Niti, and he will feel the close end in his throat. When there will be reaching the end of this Rabad Niti, close end of the Rabad Niti, he will pull out. He is going to pull out this Rabad Niti with the two fingers. Now 2-3 times this blowing kriya will be there, up and down, up and forward, backward, and the end of the Rabad Niti will be pulled out from the mouth. Now one nostril has been cleared. Now he will wash, he is going to wash this Rabad Niti with the water, and washing with the hand towel. It should be very much cleaning with the hand towel, and the same procedure he is going to repeat from the left nostril. The position should be like this. Kagasana, he is sitting in the Kagasana. Now he is putting the close end of the Rabad Niti in left nostril. Slowly he will insert, he is going to insert this close end of the Rabad Niti until the close end reaching in the throat. When he is going to feel with the help of the two fingers, first two fingers, the close end will be pulled out from the mouth. So slowly he is inserting. When he is going to feel closing, now he is pulling out close end of the Rabad Niti, and 2-3 times this activity, this come and go and pull out from the mouth. Now wash it, he is going to wash it. This Rabad Niti is now completed. So in the same manner, our another expert, Miss Rajrani, he is doing this practical aspect of Sutra Niti. When any person is learn this Rabad Niti, after that we can perform Sutra Niti. Now Rajrani is going to insert in her left nostril the wax end of the Sutraneti. Slowly, slowly she is inserting, mouth is going to be open, yes, she has opened her mouth. Now putting two fingers in her throat, she is feeling when going to touch the end of the wax end of the Sutraneti. Yes, she is putting and holding the wax end of the Sutraneti. 2-3 times this action will be performed, come and go, and lastly pulling out from the mouth. Yes, very nice. Now wash this Sutraneti with lukewarm water and clean with the mouth, clean your mouth with the hand towel. Now face should be cool and calm. Now face is, open your eyes. Now she is putting the wax end in the another nostril, that is right nostril. Yes, slowly, slowly, cool and calm, inserting, open your mouth, slowly, slowly inserting, and she is feeling when the wax end of the Sutraneti will be going to touch epiglottis on throat. Now putting two fingers in the mouth, and yeah, very nice. 2-3 times this action has to be performed. She is performing up and down, up, come and for. Yes, now finally pulling out this neti from the mouth. Very nice. Okay, first wash your mouth, face with the hand towel and also Sutraneti. Now Sutraneti is performed very well by Mrs. Rajrani Singhal. Thank you very much.